Here we have a patch base, a 96 point, fully wired with Switchcraft connectors on the far ends here, as you can see. And it's a, here, let's flip it over. It's a TT, which is a smaller version of a 1/4 inch. And this is a standard in most recording studio racks. It is used as it was in a studio for about a year, and fully functional. Everything works.
I think the shortest. How long is the?
Oh, that's right. The cable runs run from anywhere from 15 to 10 foot lengths, which gives you plenty of space, plenty of length to deal with what you have to do. All professional wired. Single rack space.
Switchcraft wires.
Switchcraft wires.
Oh, sorry.
Belden cable. Switchcraft. No, it's not Belden. Actually, it's Acculink. Yeah, Proco cable.